Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. This is your boy Jearmain and your girl
Amanda J, gang.
Gang Gang. So yo, we just flew from Montreal to Toronto, and we're actually heading to Jamaica, yo.
Jamaica. I'm here eating poulet rouge from Montreal.
Yeah, in Toronto they would probably call this red chicken, like
It's true, poulet rouge, fried
in
chicken.
French. You know, what I mean, in French is like poulet rouge, right?
I
So
was actually scared that they were going to take this away from me in Montreal because
out in the street, they call it.
Hey y'all, we made it to Jamaica safe and sound. Thank you, Jesus. That flight was scary. At one point when we were landing, there was so much turbulence on the flight. Like people were screaming. I was like, Jesus, please. But anyways, we're here safe and sound, and we are currently at a car rental company called 1 Minute Car Rental, or You Save. Shout out to them. Customer service is amazing. About 5 minutes from the airport, from Kingston Airport. They picked us up from the airport actually, drop us here, and now we're just waiting for the car to be ready. Jearmain is inside preparing everything. Not the one driving, Jearmain is. So peace out.
yo, the AC is breezing in here, yo. It's breezing. It's cold. Damn.
Jearmain talking about it's cold.
Yo, me have to actually use my left one to remind me say, yo, at Jamaica me this. So if you don't see me up on the road I do like this, me I cheer up myself and me I just remind myself say, yo, stay up on the hand, not the right hand. Welcome to a real stay for the week. This is a real hotel. This is where Jermaine and Amanda will be staying. This is the bathroom, looking modern, stylish. Wow, this is nice for a change. Normally I go to a hotel, they always have like pure white towels, but this is good for a change. This is the toilet, and this is the fridge. Let's see what's popping inside here. Ooh, Coca-Cola, spare sugar, water. Oh, now we're talking. You got me. This is a beautiful bedroom. This is a TV. It's not too big, just okay. And this is the amazing bedroom, yo. It's nice. Giving me some modern. And also gave us like a garden view. Now we're talking about paradise. Paradise in Jamaica. So yeah, we woke up as our official second day in Jamaica, and we are actually here enjoying our stay at Rio Hotel.
It is so nice out
We're
here.
going to have some food to eat, some jerk chicken right now. We were so tired from jet lag and everything. We actually woke up around, I think it's like after 12 o'clock right now. We missed breakfast, so we're going straight into lunch here. We're so hungry. In fact, hungry is actually doing some surgery on our belly right now on our chest. That's me.
Yo, you guys, I'm eating my favorite fruit, mango. Yo, I did that. Trust me. I'm sorry for all of y'all because I'm gonna eat every single mango. We are in Jamaica. Where are you?
Talk to me.
Talk to me, Tuna.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
We finally made it to the gym after a few days of eating and eating and just chilling on the beach. We gained a few pounds. As you can see, your girl is running on the treadmill like her life depended on it. I ran for 5 consecutive minutes. Jearmain did a little bit of lifting as well as a few other machines. But the variety of food, there's so much. And not only that, but they serve food at restaurants and also on the beach. So everywhere you go, there's food. We gained a few pounds, so we're just trying to lose a bit before we move on to our next activities.
My beloved is the most beautiful among thousands and thousands. Keep the wheels on the track. My beloved is the most beautiful among thousands and thousands. My beloved is the most beautiful among thousands and thousands. Yes,
Hey y'all, we are on our way to
Yaaman Adventure Park, yeah?
Yup. So we're gonna have a whole bunch of fun activities to do. We're gonna do some ATV. We're gonna do cooking. What else is there, Jermaine?
Bird hunting.
Bird hunting. Bird hunting?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah.
Why are we out hunting bird for?
Can't name them.
I don't want to harm the birds, but I guess listen. I'm just a girl. I just followed Jermaine. He booked the activities. I have no idea what we're doing. All I know is I packed my stuff, brought extra clothes, and I'm only finding out now that we're doing bird hunting.
Yeah, we just dating each other, yeah?
No sign. We just have to figure things out. What does that say? Sleeping police?
Mm,
Oh, it really is called Sleeping Police.
yeah, in Jamaica.
I thought it was something you created. I was like, what do you mean Sleeping Police? Hey y'all, we finally made it to Yaaman. After registration, we are met with our first tour guide. He was hilarious.
I would just beg her to stay with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know why I beg her to stay with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she keep looking at me.
So our first tour consists of us visiting this plantation prospect, obviously no longer in use. It's now for tourists. This beautiful estate was originally built as a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom great house. It wasn't used as a rental villa. Instead, it served as a private residence and was often reserved for wedding and special events. To this very day, it's actually used for weddings. They host approximately 4 weddings a year for exclusive clients only. So, this house itself was built on a high ground as a strategic lookout over the sea, so that if the enemy ship approaches, those inside could see them early and prepare, respond quickly. So, if you look closely, you'll notice 3 holes at each point. One in the middle, one on the other angle, and one to the left and right. Today, they are fitted with mesh screens to keep out the insect, but back then, they are gun holes. Like this property has gun holes every single where in the bathroom, all over the property. So inside, you'll find old portraits They are all over the place. So, one showing the formal owner and his first grandchild dressed in Scottish attire known as a kilt. The child is now 44. I mean, he's a grown man, and his younger brother is now 41 years old. Another portrait honors Sir Basil Keith, who served as governor of Jamaica from 1773 to 1777. He lived here with his family for many years. Sir Basil was born in the 1900s and later managed the plantation until his passing. His only daughter died in 1990 at the age of 39, and his wife passed away in 1992 at 95 years old. So these walls are extremely thick. They're built from stone and coral, given the structure lasting strength and natural insulation. What used to be bedrooms was later converted into guest restrooms to accommodate visitors when the property opened to the public. There is a staple area, once home to over 100 horses, which were used for both farming and horseback riding. And again, more gun holes. Again, these gun holes, they amaze me. You could see everything on the inside, but when you're outside, it just looks like a part of the home, a part of the design. Little do you know what you're looking at. And finally, there is a portrait right on the side of a man believed to be the first Rastafarian who worked with the local cricket team back then. The estate also features a cricket field, a big open area where matches and community gatherings were held.
Chill, when they plant the big tree where they chop the park. Then we have Edward Heath, a former Prime Minister of England, and Pierre Trudeau, Canadian former Prime Minister. His son Justin Trudeau was the Prime Minister for a few years, who recently stepped down.
Okay.
Yes, and then at the end we have Prince Philip, that's a Queen husband. He was here in 1979.
Okay. Once upon a time, I wasn't even able to leave my own country, man. And right now, I'm back living like a tourist, man. Look at me. Look at shit. Look at we, man. We're killing it, man. So here we're jerking some jerk chicken breast. That thing is steaming down here. It's for lunch.
Hi, lovebird. Hello. They're just all over Jearmain. Ah, there's one on my. Is that mango on my head, Jearmain?
Yeah.
Friend, say Jesus. No, not that the one mango. Jesus, say G, J. No mango. Again, try again. Jesus. Try again.
Say Jesus, Mango.
You can't do it, mango.
Mango
Try
said
again.
Jesus.
Jesus. No, my friend. Come on this hand. Come on this hand. Because right now you're getting on my nerves.
After many failed attempts to get Mango to repent and say Jesus, we truly come to the end of our adventure. We really had so much fun here. Very rich history. We would recommend Yaaman Adventure Park without any doubt 100%. We truly enjoyed the north coast of Jamaica. And right now we are on our way to visit Manchester, my hometown, y'all. That's where I was born and raised.
Just do the breadfruit for no carry. Wherefore you not go carry up. Let me take you roast. Then do it then.
The breadfruit? Jearmain, where's the breadfruit that you and Creamy had yesterday?
We will see. I left it on there. Yeah, we have a little intruder on board, man. You know, when we pick her up, we just find her in a back of car. And she tell me, say she with tour guide and she can go KFC, going to have fried chicken and something. You see me? The camera shaker because the road kind of bumpy. Them a patch out the road and some sinkhole in the road. Them look like tank. Yo, who are you in the back?
I'm Tiana. I'm Uncle Jearmain's niece.
My niece?
Yeah, your niece.
Oh yeah?
Yes, you.
I love you so much, you know that?
I know. I actually have my niece in law.
Amen.
She have me look up bag. And then when we touch the road, it's like we just want to have her look up purse. A Jamaican thing, we not talk about no purse of Jamaica. We look up bag.
Okay,
Right, Tiana?
Right.
You sound like foreigner, my girl.
When I
You
say
over there,
purse?
so, yeah. Your purse. That are your a foreigner thing that
I need
friend.
my purse.
When I deal with the foreign thing, that's straight Jamaican, right?
Real bad man.
Oh boy.
What are you going to know, Tiana?
So currently we are going to KFC. Then after we go to KFC, we are going to Progressive, which we are going to buy some groceries.
I don't know what I want, but I just know I want KFC. Jamaican's KFC is the best KFC in the world, so
Number one.
yep, can't wait. What's your order, Tiana?
Yo, she
A
knows
zinger
the
box.
menu, yo.
A zinger big box and a corn.
What's the drink?
Tropical rhythm
How
or
much?
grape.
How much does it cost?
2,050.
Yo, she's the type.
So guys, we got our KFC. Yay!
What is this one?
Cola champagne.
Okay.
Yo, you know the drink name by
My God.
like,
She's like, this is
yo.
cola champagne. That's great. I don't know what's what. Tiana
Give me
knows
a straw,
everything.
the tea. Here we go, sweetie.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
The first thing, guys, we're going to review is the juice.
the juice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do I drink test? Let me see, man. Like, you know,
So I have, what do you say it's called?
cola champagne.
Cola champagne.
Mm. this one it's more refreshing than I thought because last time I went to KFC, I think the drink they didn't have no ice and things, so it didn't taste refreshing.
This is the cold champagne is good. Try it.
Pepsi is Pepsi. But you guys are probably familiar with Coca-Cola, but Jamaicans drink Pepsi more than Coca-Cola, but it's kind of like the same thing.
Yeah, yes, true. We drink more Coca-Cola over there.
Yeah.
I like this one better than I don't. This
Yeah,
is
that has a lot of acid in it, so
maybe that's why I like it because it's more like bubbly. This is
Yeah.
this is a juice.
yeah, and especially you that love sparkling water and stuff, that's good for you. One last thing, I'm fried chicken, KFC.
In particular,
Mhm.
it's been years because I don't really like KFC like that.
No,
No, but I don't like the
Yo.
KFC in Montreal.
you
So
don't like the KFC in Canada.
I
You see
don't.
me?
No, Uncle Jearmain.
If I'm hungry, trust me, I wouldn't go to KFC. Like,
And this is Jamaica #1 restaurant. Get it? Yo, right now, let me tell you this straight up. Jamaica, if you like say you need to change this whole ackee and saltfish thing to rice and peas and chicken, or you need to change this thing to KFC. You see me? Because right now,
Half of Jamaica don't eat ackee and saltfish.
that me I tell you no.
Are you
That me a
kidding me?
Jamaican and me no name ackee
oh,
and
this
saltfish.
is yours.
Hear that?
Ooh, this looks good.
So just imagine. Me
Here.
think so no need to change the national dish to KFC or no change it to rice and peas and chicken. Straight up.
Ooh.
Take that off the national dish right
Y'all
now.
can't see this,
Hear
but
that?
this looks amazing. Anyway.
Let's see side.
It's good.
Compare it. Something.
It tastes like McDonald's.
I don't know what to I don't know what to compare this fries to because it's like it's fries. To me, it's nice.
Okay.
It's nice fries. It's really nice fries.
It's just okay.
It's good.
So where fries are coming from?
KFC.
Yeah, and come from KFC, them produce at Jamaica.
I don't know.
So you name
Tiana,
KFC so much.
KFC's gonna fire you.
KFC on the book kind of fire. Or if you're not fire, you make sure you give her a discount card because she name KFC every week. Give her a discount card.
Sponsor Tiana, put her in a commercial, please, because she knows your menu by heart. She knows your drinks by heart. She's the one who encouraged us to come to KFC. So, do you see that?
Right now, if me tell her, I say, she must taste a piece of chicken with her lap chicken and tell you
Which one it is?
which one it is. You see me? So, obviously spicy, you know, but she will tell you if a popcorn, she will tell you if a fried chicken, she just know the thing like that.
And she knows the menu by heart. They have Chick-fil? What is it called?
Chick-fil-A, no.
Chick-fil-A? That's the one your mom loves that one so much. It's really good.
Chick-fil-A is good stuff.
You think Chick-fil-A will give KFC a run for their money if they came up here?
Mm-hmm. Right now, KFC probably have buy out Chick-fil-A.
Probably so they don't come to Jamaica. If Chick-fil-A comes to Jamaica, I'm so sorry, KFC.
A woman watch man chicken and I look on the crust, crispiness, and I know I get jealous.
Which one is this one?
Which one?
How did this one is?
Barbecue.
She said barbecue. She knows her deal. So I'm trying the barbecue. I have two other pieces. I have the crispy. I'll show y'all the crispy one. Crispy looks so good. Like this. And this is the barbecue. I'm going to go with barbecue first. Let's see how it is.
Them take KFC finger licking good. They're not like.
Okay. It's good. Yo, it's falling right off the bone. Oh, what's this one, Tiana?
Just a name. I don't know what is what.
This is the original barbecue, and then I have crispy. Okay, so I'm going into the original. Which one is the most common one that people order? Do you know? Oh, I guess so, right? I think that's the one they promote the most, actually, the crispy one.
And we're at Progressive where we enjoy this delicious meal. Bye-bye.
Please. 10 out of 10. No. 100 out of 10 KFC. I don't know. Another thing is a strawberry. It's about $20 Canadian, and this in Canada would be about say about maybe $6, $5, $6, $7. Wow, this is like 20 Canadian pretty much. It's not bad. It's look a bit foreignish.
You're in Island Blue. And it's
Yeah, when you go up here, you take a left.
Yeah.
At the road, four way.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you take a four way, when you take a left,
Yeah.
you have to go and you have to go down one little hill, so.
Okay.
When you go down a little hill,
Yeah.
at the first right.
First right. All right.
Yeah.
So left, right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
from where you take the right,
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Explain to us what happened.
guys, we were like driving and you hear boom, then boom, dun, 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 and the car started rocking, then it stopped. And then when we got out, the tire was punctured. Flat, 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 flat. And then I was surprised because this car was coming all the way down, like in full speed, over 120 kilometers per hour. And he was coming down in full speed, and he was like this close to the car. My heart was beating. I thought it was going to crash in the car because the car couldn't move. So I thought that was going to crash, and then he braked and then braked right at he was about this at this length. Yeah, guys, and my heart was hurting me.
So now Uncle Jearmain is here fixing the tire. We have a serious puncture right now.
But them guys helping him, that almost crashed in the car.
Well, I'm glad we got that problem solved. So here we are eating breakfast before we head out and hit the road back to MTL. Shout outs to Jermaine's cousin for the haircut, yo. That was an amazing lineup. And as we're about to leave Jamaica, yo, so sad. We're going to miss everything about Jamaica, the family, the friends, the adventures. And as we were in the airport, we noticed a lot of these beautiful wall painting. Unfortunately, they did not have the name of the artist on it, but they were so beautiful. We did see some portrait of like Nelson Mandela, some of them Obama. And we have to say, yo, Kingston Airport is truly beautiful.
Well, I you should be party, but just come out there over. Your face off the makeup. Oh no.
So defeated, yo.
Yo, this is the challenge of life. You can't give up. We're gonna get this. We're trying to create our logo in the sun. JasandMain, the ultimate JasandMain logo.